name is Melinda and welcome to Universe Lovers. In today's video, I am going to be making a nourishing scalp oil with 4 simple ingredients, all natural and all clean. If you want to see how I create that, follow me. Now to make this scalp oil, you're going to need 4 simple ingredients, and you can always adjust these to what you like and works well with your scalp and with your skin. The 4 ingredients I used are cacao butter, coconut oil, rosemary, and oregano. Today we're going to be using the double boiler method. Start by sanitizing your bowl and then wipe it dry. Next, we're going to scoop 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and place it in the bowl. Next up, I'll be adding some dehydrated oregano leaves that I personally dehydrated myself. Yay! I added some oregano leaves along with some rosemary leaves because these 2 herbs are powerful. They have so many beneficial properties when it comes to the scalp. It is going to hydrate. It is going to help with hair thinning, hair loss. It is going to promote hair growth. It is going to promote blood circulation, which is going to add to the hair growth. By melting together the rosemary with the oregano along with the coconut oil and cocoa butter, then you are nourishing the scalp. And when you nourish the scalp, you have healthy, happy hair growth. By utilizing the double boiler method, we are choosing to use a gentle form or gentle way of extracting the essence and the medicine from the oregano and rosemary plant. By using this method, we are preserving the plants and oil's natural healthy properties. Now with the back of a spoon, I am going to press down on the leaves so they may release their aroma. And as we see here, the color is slightly starting to change. It is starting to have a little bit more tint of color. Today I'll be rinsing and recycling an old serum bottle. During my travels, I've learned the importance of reusing things, not just a one-time use, because as we see, it's become a problem. And we are just trying to be a little more resourceful, a little bit more smarter with our decisions and more conscious. So reusing bottles is ideal in every way that you can so that we can just stop with all the pollution. Next step, I'll be adding some alcohol into the glass bottle to disinfect it. Make sure to not fill it to the tippy top. Leave a little bit of room so once you add your dropper in, you can have some room to shake the alcohol and cleanse the bottle. Make sure to shake the bottle in all different directions to make sure that it is clean and sanitized. Once again, I will gently press down with the back of a spoon to extract the oils from the oregano leaves and the rosemary leaves. It is super important that the glass dropper bottle is fully dry. You cannot add any oil into the bottle with water or any liquids in it. This can cause mold to grow inside of the bottle. Please make sure your bottle is dry. Now don't laugh at me because I didn't think that I would need a funnel, and then I needed a funnel. So I created one out of paper. You gotta be creative nowadays. I mean, if you don't have it, make it. And now I am measuring to see if the paper funnel fits inside. And ladies and gentlemen, we have a winner. I'll be cutting down to make this funnel a little bit shorter, that way I can see where I'm pouring the oil. And now I'll be slowly pouring the oil using the paper funnel into the glass jar. Voila, magic. To make the hair oil more potent, I am adding some of the leaves into the glass bottle. And for the final ingredient, I'll be using cacao butter, also known as cocoa butter. I'm going to take out the big pieces and just utilize these small pieces, and these I'll be melting. I will be adding some hot water into a glass to melt the coconut, oregano, and rosemary oil, and I'll be adding in some of the cacao/cocoa butter into the mix. Since cocoa butter is high in fatty acids, it is going to act as a second agent of hydration and nourishment. Did you know that when you apply cocoa butter onto the skin or scalp, it provides a protective barrier over the skin which locks in moisture? Now that everything is in the bottle, we're going to place it back in some hot water to blend everything and mesh it all together. And whatever else is left over, just rub it on your hands. It's all natural, baby. As for the big pieces of cocoa butter, I'll just put those back inside the jar and wait for the next time we'll use them. And here you have it, a simple 4-ingredient, all clean, all natural, hydrating scalp oil. A perfect way to apply this scalp oil is by making it nice and hot. All you do is you boil some water, add it into a cup, and then put your hair oil inside. Leave it in there about 5 minutes, then you're going to gently take it out of the cup, wipe it, and apply. And we're just gonna apply that all over the scalp. And now you don't want to apply too much because eventually with your natural body heat, it's going to melt and then it's going to start spreading all over your scalp, which is perfect, right? But if you apply too much, then it'll eventually start dripping down onto your face and it can cause breakouts or irritation, okay? So just keep that in mind. Don't go too crazy because it's oil and it'll move around. And I'm just gonna massage that into the scalp. My hair is freshly washed, so it's actually perfect. And I have been noticing that my scalp has been improving by trying different things, right? And trying more natural things. I don't like to read like 10,000 things on the back of a label. Okay. And it's that simple. We make our homemade hair and scalp oil, and this is something that's all natural, so I can actually, whatever's left over on my hands, I can just use it to moisturize. A lot of butters can make me break out, like shea butter, but with cacao butter, no problems at all. If I apply too much, then I'm just kind of drowning my pores, and that's not what you want to do. But if you apply a nice gentle amount where you're hydrated and you add a little bit of water and then you apply it to your skin, it's going to penetrate the skin and it won't just stay on the surface. So if you want these oils to just go in and dance with your body and your skin and your whatever. Now this is not just a scalp oil. This is going to be a multi-use oil. You can use this on your body, you can use this on your face to moisturize, so keep that in mind. This is a all-in-one little oil elixir. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you test it out and let me know what you think about it. Comment below, and I can't wait to see you on the next video, and I'll let you know the progress of my hair and my scalp and what's going on with it, because this is the year of taking care of these curls. Alrighty, see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.